What's up, tubers? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be working on the final piece of the Porsche race team puzzle. I've already done the unboxing to this kit. I've been talking about it with the other builds. So I'm going to crack this thing open and start taking it off the trees and gluing it together and see what happens. And speed the cameras up and go from there. This thing came off the tree pretty quick. I'll do a little bit of sanding to the body and study the instructions and see if there's any sub-assembly, and then start painting this thing. So we'll speed up the cameras and throw some color on. Should be a fun build. Looks pretty basic, you know, not too involved. Just a matter of figuring out what goes where and dumping some glue and some paint all over it, and before you know it, we'll have a race car. All right. we go. Got the parts all prepped and the minor sub-assembly, everything sanded and wiped and ready for paint. Had to do some saffron. This instruction manual that's, I mean, it's not unclear. I just wasn't quite sure about where some of the parts went and accounting for some of them. It took me a minute to have the foresight to go through the manual and look, and yep, there's some parts that are highlighted that are not for use, so it must be for another type of this kit. And I also noticed that the wing section, they want you to chop that section off. Yeah, no, that's not happening. So, you know, the wing will fit in there. Took me a little bit of figuring how to make it work and not using these side pieces because it wouldn't, so whatever. It'll attach to that, and I'm not too worried about it because I have some carbon fiber decals I want to use. Pretty excited about that. Put that on there, and then, you know, maybe some other spots will have some carbon fiber. Certainly not something they wouldn't have done in a car like this. So there you have it. Everything's pretty much ready to squirt some chemicals on it, get some color, some paint, some primer, and put this thing together. The last piece of the Porsche race team. Alright, well, it is dumping rain outside, and I've got everything primered and ready to start putting some color on it and start doing the details. I got these bitchin' carbon fiber decals to put on, so I'm gonna go ahead and call it here and make this a two-parter. So stay tuned for the second installment of the last piece of the Porsche race team puzzle. Coming soon. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you soon.